Shangri-La?
You know, when you start explaining the game, I just stop paying attention. Hello. Welcome to Scott Teaches Games. My name is Nick. This is my wife, Sarah. Today, we still have a special guest. It is not Holland, but this is Chris, my brother, and this is...
Scott. Teach Games.
On Thursday...
Actual Thursday this time.
Today is Thursday. What games do we have today, Scott?
Let's play the Brain Bleeder.
This one?
This one we have done.
Okay.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's get the picture going. Here, you want to put it in your hands?
There you go. There we go.
Alright.
I remember I've played this game once, twice,
I have played
maybe
this
3
game.
times. Isn't this like a Rick and Morty type thing?
No, it's Adventure Time. Rick and Morty has a different style.
Alright. Pick a, what's it?
Boom!
Does it matter?
No.
Okay.
Oh,
They're all the same.
I'm the leprechaun.
I'm Hogs the House.
I'm Lady Laserveer.
So this actually does make sense.
Why?
I can eat a bunch.
Alright, well.
If there was one superpower I had, it would be knowing how to eat.
No, it's called hide the food.
Okay.
Yes.
That's your superpower. It's not knowing how to eat. It's called hide the food.
Is that what it is?
Oh, you need to pick
I
one,
hide
right?
it in my stomach.
Yeah. And Scott needs one.
Yep. Just
Okay, he is going to be... That's actually kind of fitting for you.
Jung the Spirit Master. Okay.
I mean, all the games you play, you always are like a summoner.
Yes, that works. Alright,
spoiler
so we
alert.
got the loot, got the death ones.
1.
This isn't product placement.
It wasn't product placement. I'm saying that's 1 can that I drank.
Oh. This video is brought to you by Wegmans.
Where you can dance all the time.
There actually is no product placement in this video.
Yet. But if you want to sponsor, please contact Nick.
Last week standing one.
Drop a comment below. Let us know if you want to sponsor this video.
Okay, so start off on 20.
Thank you.
No, Nick, no. Drop a comment below and sponsor future videos. We're not re-editing this video.
No. Because it's already been sponsored by Wegmans, but it hasn't.
Alright, now I need to remember. It's been
Are we supposed
ages.
to set this up?
You can if you want.
Is this supposed to be in the center or something?
Probably.
Wait, I thought you played this game.
I have played this game, but I haven't
Been a
played this
while.
game in...
No, but the thing's not out.
Yeah, it's because we never used it.
But that's part of the game.
No, it's not.
Everyone, if you're playing games, you have to do the
Here.
all bases.
All bases?
All bases.
I'm not editing.
All
that.
bases.
Step up, man. Start.
I meant pieces, but when the B came out.
All
Alright. Trying to remember how many cards you start off with.
7.
Most likely, but...
Jung the Spirit Master.
Oh, he is.
Did you guys hear that they're not mining Bitcoin anymore in China?
Yeah.
Probably because it's illegal.
That's why.
That means their graphic cards are going to go down in price.
Hold on, I have to sneeze.
Get it.
Or actually available.
Oh, that's a good sneeze.
That was a good sneeze. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give that a 6.
8 cards. 8 cards.
Just a 6? That was a good sneeze?
Yes, because Uncle Ron, when he sneezed, he made the TV shake. Like, I'm not even just talking about shake. The pictures went zzzz.
Alright. So now that I have the...
How many?
Yeah, it's going to be 8 cards, but
So
we'll
close.
get into this stuff.
Are we... Can I go grab a drink, or are you just playing things now?
There's no reason we can't do both.
Go.
Okay, good.
Go, go, go.
I need another
Alright.
one.
Go, go, go.
Everybody's going to start off with a hand of 8, and then we will be playing out spells that you're going to construct.
Oh.
There are a bunch of different types of cards here, but they all are going to fall into one of 3 different categories. You have the source, I forget what they call this one, quality and delivery.
Where are you reading that?
Yeah,
down here.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But it is just, they're basically at the beginning, a middle, and an end.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
They all have different effects, and they'll be taken into effect going
One at a
from
time.
yeah,
In order.
in order.
Left to
Right.
right.
but you're going to be.
Oh, so we're spelling something out.
Yeah. So there is a speed to the effects, though. So what'll happen is, you can lay out a spell. Again, you're going to be playing them like face down. Like, okay, you're locking in your spell.
Okay.
That's going to be at the beginning. Now, everybody who's got 3, that's going to be slower than a 2, which is slower than a 1. So anyone who has a 1 cost spell, they'll be going first.
Okay.
If there's ever a tie, then you roll off to see who actually goes first. For
I'm
any
assuming
of them that actually have a delivery cost,
that if you tie, you keep rolling until you untie.
yes, you're gonna
Okay. Just making sure there
rolling
wasn't
off-
like
rolling
some
off
weird.
until you get it. For the delivery, there is a number that is situated there. I believe the highest number
Wins.
goes first. Sorry, again, it's been
1 week.
That's the same thing.
maybe.
It's been probably 6 years.
At least. I think it was.
Wow.
I think it might have been closer to 8, honestly.
Mm-mm.
But,
No,
Mm-mm.
because I played this game before I left.
yes, well, 8 would have still been before you left. When
That's
Yes.
also true. Yeah.
Well, I didn't play the game.
That's like, all right. Okay, so
I was here 8 years ago.
turn order.
And I'm here now.
Mm-hmm. This is Scott Teaches Games, guys. We're going as we learn.
We're going as we learn. I'm not editing that out.
That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's the highest. The highest value is the one that goes first. Yes. Okay. Now some of the cards will give you a loot.
That one's upside down.
This is loot.
Thank you.
There you go.
It's
All right.
bothering me.
Some of these will give you loot. These are loot cards. You can shuffle them up to deal with that.
No, that's fine. It was the fact that one was different than the other one. I don't care the
That's fine.
Well, the
Those-
camera cares.
Yes. These
Sure.
are. Yeah, that's fine. These are dead wizard cards. The dead wizard cards. Once you die, like you end up getting one of these.
They're all-
Oh, they don't need to be shuffled.
They're all the same, right?
No,
Oh.
they do need to be shuffled.
That's what I was asking.
Yeah, they're
Yes.
different.
Yes.
Okay.
I was just
Oh,
wanting
okay.
one so that I could show like dead wizard cards. Dead wizard cards have a bonus that you will get at the beginning of the next round.
Shangri-La?
Anyway,
Shangri-La.
you have like there are also elemental natures to the cards.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the cards will be affected by them. You do not have to line them up based on elements.
Okay.
Sometimes it'll be beneficial to do so. Usually in the delivery, it'll state it that way. Sometimes it's better to have one of each. Generally, you're just going to be looking at them, trying to figure out the best situation you want. There is you can sacrifice cards to update your spell. Again, it's been years. I'm sorry.
At least
Do
6.
you want these shuffled?
Yes, these will all need to be shuffled. There are
I could go get a
like
hoagie.
there's wild cards that are in there as well. Those
they
can,
need to come
they
out?
can be those can be used as anything to fill in the
Right.
spot.
Any of this
I
stuff.
think they're called wild magic.
Don't judge us. But if you do, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching our wonderful games of Scott Teaches Games. Please drop a comment below and let us know how much you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Get all the latest updates.
Bye.
See ya.